The pilot of automated door close. The traditional automated door close in the past, for example door close by oil pressure and air pressure, because its structure is complicated and difficult to assemble, so it needs the professional person to do this. The all expense will be the product cost plus the technician's cost. It's really not a good deal. Is it really trouble to assemble an automated door close? STD Hardware Industrial Company Limited devises the new type and humanistic door close. It's light, handy, save your space appearance, streamline, and the reasonable price. It has all the basic functions of the automated door close. One, when the door opens, it will close automatically. 2. When the door opens 90 degrees, the door will be fixed by itself. Our product assemble is simple and easy. No need for technicians to do it. DIY by yourself totally. Just assemble by 3 screws. It's very simple, convenient, and saves you time. The small pusher of door revolutionary. It breaks through the traditional fabrication. 1. Tear the twin adhesive under part A off. 2. Plaster part A on the door. Be careful that part B can't cross the crack between the door and its frame, or the door can't open because it's pressed for part B. 3. Lock up by 3 screws and finish it easily. The pilot of automated door close. The small pusher of door.